Okay, so I'm going to show you a little mess I'm working on. This is a Arduino. Well, it's a Pro Micro, tiny little microcontroller. And I'm in my flight simulator, and I've created a light panel for now. Work on some other stuff here pretty soon. But anyway, I wanted to get the lights to work. So if you'll look, so I got my lights panel. So if I turn on my beacons, my landing lights, my taxi lights, nav lights, and my strobes, they all move in sync with Flight Simulator. So now you have tactile buttons that tactile buttons that I can use with the Flight Simulator for part of my panel. So we will pause here in a second. Alright, and we go outside of the airplane, which you can barely see on the screen right there. But like if I turn on the beacon using my switch, so the beacon comes on, then I can turn on landing lights if I want to, turn on taxi lights, turn on my nav lights, except they're not flashing, but that's a bug in the software, not my stuff. And then turn on the strobes. So yeah, the first component for my Flight Simulator panels is working. Next I work on the radios.